Okay, boys and girls, this might be the last time you see me. This is definitely a do not try this at home. Rubber band, zip ties, and there's probably some bubble gum in this Salt S2 carcass. PCP tube, 550 PSI output. It is currently filled to, there's 3,000 PSI remaining. I have a home defense 24 on off so I can degas. An MCS threaded HBA adapter that was designed for a Umarex marker, but it does fit the salt. An FSC rear cap. And I have a Grimberg jewel loaded in there. Tear it up. Oh, it didn't blow up. Let's see what it chronos. Remember, this is only 550 PSI. I'm just gonna kind of stand like this, make sure we're aiming. You know what, let's just get closer. That way I don't have to be so awkward about it. $198. All right, well, let's try that again. I just realized that I don't have a ball bearing in here and it's gonna fart. So let me just get this set up again. Okay, so for the sake of this test, I'm gonna have to use an empty CO2 because it actually holds that ball bearing in place. Otherwise, it's gonna fart. And I wanna get an accurate, well, it's accurate representation of what this rear cap might entail. All right, there's still 2,500 PSI left in here. Remember, this is just low, 550 output. Well, lower. Notice the leather gloves. Hoping to keep my hands in one piece here. I'm holding it over my head because when I'm spinning this, I'd rather break a window than an eyeball. Okay, try number 2. So this has a CO2 cylinder, empty cylinder in it, so it's gonna have some restriction, of course. Yeah, much lower, but a successful test fire. Let's up the pressure. There is 1,000 PSI left in this 26 CI. This tank was 750, so 200 more PSI. Nope, finally gave up. I got a fix for that. All right, quick repair. Try that again. This is 900 PSI left in this bottle now. Obviously, I'm keeping it limited at this point. Ooh, that one was a very good click. $210. What I really want to do is try CO2. So that's what we're going to do next. Okay, 12 grams CO2 on board. I do have the ball bearing in there. My best was like 27 joules with a longer barrel. I think 24 was the best on the factory barrel, but that was with a 9.9 gram. I don't know. This is really just to see where it gets to. This cap kind of leaves a lot of extra space in there, so that's the purpose of this. CO2, here we go. No leaks, that's good. I'm breech loading balls, so. Down the hole it goes. All right. $254. Well, let's throw a riot ball in there. And that was a second shot, but 228. Does show me something. Obviously there's a little power to be gained in increasing the volume of the chamber, but even as large as this chamber is now with this cap, because this cap is like really thin and flat, so it's kind of maximized that, like that's probably balls to the walls max, is that the CO2 restrictor does need to be drilled. The question is how much, and is there an easier way than a long drill bit? Because I have a long, extra long 1mm drill bit now. And extra long isn't long enough. I need like extra long. And it's tough getting down that hole, so. Sit, work in progress.